From the backs of dinosaurs to cyberpunk streets, from deadly samurai duels to the birth of androids, from space troops on a desert planet to the feast of Victorian vampires. Any character, any setting, any adventure, anything you can imagine. Heroes and Hardships has you covered. Heroes and Hardships is a universal role-playing game system built for flexibility and fun. Features include a roll and keep dice pool system, hundreds of character options, gritty and tactical combat, dangerous and dynamic magic systems for wizards and superheroes, and much more. This 248-page core rulebook supports any setting or genre. Filled with hundreds of options across character creation, combat, magic, adversaries, optional rules, and much more, you will always play your way. Back Heroes and Hardships today and become the hero you always wanted.